start with Miss Co.
Hey everybody, Miss Co here. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make marshmallow dough, and this is a really fun recipe I think you guys are going to enjoy. So if you want to check it out, then keep on watching. Ingredients you need: half a bag of marshmallows, 2 cups of cornstarch, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and optional is food coloring and essential oils. Let's get started. So first we're going to go ahead and combine all of our materials together. Combine all of your ingredients. Here I'll be using half a bag of marshmallows. This is 10 ounces. And I'm also going to be using 2 cups of cornstarch as well as 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Please remember while you guys are adding this to the bowl that you guys do not need to mix it or anything. Just put it all together. Microwave in 30-second intervals. I only needed 1 minute and 45 seconds in the microwave and it was able to melt completely, and it will be a little bit warm when you guys take it out of the microwave, so please be careful. Knead together. Or please give your grown-ups a big thank you and a big I'm sorry from Miss Co, because I know this is super messy, but it's really fun and I hope that you guys are enjoying it, and that is the most important thing. I did have to move my dough into a bigger bowl because I realized my other one was just a little too small. And fun fact guys, these are edible. You can eat this. So that's why I would recommend that you have very clean hands while you are making this, because yeah, you guys don't want dirty hands and then to eat this. Tastes like marshmallow. Doesn't taste good, but you guys can eat it. Ugh. Yeah, I don't want to eat it. Make sure to add some cornstarch to your surface that you will be working on. So if yours is sticking to your hands like this, you guys do need more cornstarch, so just keep that in mind. But other than that, it should be able to knead pretty easily. In the end, this should kind of look like a cloud, or, you know, really soft and fluffy. So keep kneading it until you get that result. It should look something like this. And now I'm going to divide my marshmallow dough into different sections so I could add food coloring to this. So I'm just adding a drop of food coloring to each of my marshmallow dough. And I'm adding very little because luckily we don't need a lot for this. Just a warning, it might stain your hands, but no big deal. And it is done. This is marshmallow dough. Store away. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put it in a little baggie and store away. And if you guys want to play with them again, it is going to get a little bit hard, so all you need to do is take it back out and put it in the microwave and it should be good to go. I would do 30-second intervals and check on it. I think all you'll need is 30 seconds. It doesn't take a lot, and that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Thanks, and make sure to subscribe to see more fun videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!